Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Xiaomi Redmi K90. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a simple reboot using the power menu, and we also have the forced restart. I'll show you both methods. To perform a reboot, we need to launch the power menu, and we do it by clicking power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now simply drag this white ball into the reboot. Now release your finger. After that, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again and will be ready to use. When it comes to the forced restart, this method is, for example, recommended when your device is lagged or frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and you cannot do anything. To perform a forced restart, simply hold power button until your device turns off.
I cannot predict when my host device will turn off, but I will remain active as long as I have power. Is there anything I can help you with right now?
Okay, our device has been turned off, and now within a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.